Children, let's spell. Let's spell boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Please repeat, children. Boy. Let's spell man. M-A-N. Man. Please repeat, children. Man. Let's spell girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Please repeat, children. Good job. Let's spell father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Please repeat. Father. Let's spell mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Please repeat, children. Mother. Let's spell brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Please repeat, children. Brother. Good job. Let's spell doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Please repeat, children. Doctor. Let's spell teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Please repeat, children. Teacher. Let's spell nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Please repeat, children. Nurse. Let's spell pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Please repeat, children. Pilot. Let's spell baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Please repeat, children. Baby. Let's spell farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Please repeat, children. Farmer. That's great. Let's spell lady. L-A-D-Y. Lady. Please repeat, children. Lady. Let's spell mailman. M-A-I-L-M-A-N. Mailman. Please repeat, children. Mailman. Let's spell fireman. F-I-R-E-M-A-N. Fireman. Please repeat, children. Fireman. Let's spell sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Please repeat, children. Sister. Let's spell vendor. V-E-N-D-O-R. Vendor. Please repeat, children. Vendor. Let's spell janitor. J-A-N-I-T-O-R. Janitor. Please repeat, children. Janitor. Good job, children!